Welcome to your bedtime yoga practice done in bed, in PJs to get you ready for a great night's sleep. Tonight's class is all about connecting to the breath and getting yourself more relaxed through the breath. I recommend having a calming oil in your diffuser, and I have some suggestions down below if you want, and also have a couple of firm pillows for you to use throughout class. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to be lying down in today's class, and I want you to grab your pillows and put one on each side of you. Then come on down with your knees bent. Come all the way down, arms out to the side. Close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths into the body. And as you exhale, feel as if you're sinking down into the bed. Let yourself melt. We're just beginning to connect with our breath. Encourage the breath down into the belly. And then bring both knees up into your chest. Give them a hug. Separate the knees slightly so you still have access to that deep belly for your breath as you relax your shoulders and soften into the bed. Hold on to your right knee as you extend your left leg. It may pop off the bed, that's just fine. Draw the knee in and circle your ankle. Continue feeling your breath. Change direction. And then set the toes of the right foot down. Bring the hips over to the right, like 3 to 5 inches, just a little bit. Rest the foot on the inner thigh of the left leg. Take your left hand outside the knee. Now, keeping your right shoulder down, you're going to bring the knee down to the pillow. And if you need more, you can put both pillows on the left side. You just need a little bit more support. Now we're going to connect with the breath. As you inhale, come out slightly, just a little bit. And as you exhale, deepen your twist, like you're relaxing into it. On your next exhale, go into your deepest version, still resting on the pillow so it's a little more supported. And just soften. Feel your breath, use it to help you relax. And then come back up, bringing your hips through the middle. We'll go to the other side. Draw your left knee in, straighten your right leg. Draw that left knee in as you relax your shoulders. Circle your ankle. Change direction. Relax your shoulders. And then set your toes down. Take your hips over to the left a few inches, resting the foot on the inner thigh, right hand outside the knee. Left shoulder stays down. And you're going to come over and go, resting that leg on the pillow. So you're feeling a little twist. You may not feel a really deep one. This is more restorative. You're still going to follow the breath. So you're going to breathe in, coming out slightly, exhaling into your twist. Very gently breathing yourself, breath by breath. And then on your next exhale, hold in that deepest position and just use your breath to help you soften and relax even more. And then come on up. Bringing your hips back through the middle. Keep the knees bent, feet flat. Bring your arms up so palms face each other, fingertips toward the ceiling. Walk your shoulder blades down the bed. And very slowly bring your arms up and overhead. Then you may or may not touch the bed. That is just fine. You're going to then bend the elbows, take them out to the side, moving them into cactus. And then keep the elbows down, bring the palms up, and you're going to bring them up again. Palms face each other. And again, up and overhead. Bend the elbows, moving into cactus. It's okay if the back of the hands aren't touching the bed here. It's okay if you're here. And then bring the hands up, elbows stay down, and then bring them all the way back up to start. We're going to do that one more time. Arms come up and overhead. Bend the elbows, moving into cactus. Rotate at the shoulders. You bring the hands up and then bring them back up. Nice. Keeping the knees bent, take your hands to your neck and you're just going to gently rub out the muscles in your neck. Keep breathing into the belly and do just whatever feels good here. All right. Draw your right knee up into the chest and take the leg up, finding your hamstring, getting a nice stretch in through the hamstring. Flex your foot so you feel it in their calf as well. Breathe, relax your shoulders. Bend the knee, cross the right ankle over the left knee, draw your left knee up. Relax the shoulders, draw that knee up, feel your breath. Relax. Set your foot down, cross the right leg all the way over the left leg, take your arms out to the side, and you're going to bring the hips over to the right as you take your knees to the left. Just feel that nice twist in through a little bit through the spine, through the hip. Again, you have the pillow there to support you, so it's a little more restorative. Just let yourself soften everywhere here. And come on up. Bring your hips through the middle over to the other side. Knees go down to the right. Breathe. And then come on up, back through the center, and we'll do the other side. Left knee comes in, extend the leg up, and you're really going to extend it to get into the hamstring, feel your stretch, and then flex the foot to feel your calf. Breathe. Cross the left ankle over the right knee and draw your right knee up and over the chest and just let yourself relax. Feeling the stretch in the hip, softening your shoulders, sinking into the bed. Set the foot down, cross your left leg all the way over the right, arms out. Bring your hips over to the right as you take your knees to the left. Drop your breath into your belly. Feel the very gentle twist. Again, pillow supports you, so it's not too deep. Bring the legs up, hips go to the left, knees go to the right. You can always add another pillow if you need a little bit more support. You should feel relaxed here. Feel your breath. And then come back up. All right. Move your pillows so that they are underneath your legs for Shavasana. Then bring your knees in for a hug. Relax your back. And extend your legs, moving into Shavasana. So I want you to bring your arms out by your side, about 45 degrees away from the body. Draw the shoulder blades down. Rest right in the middle of the back of your head. We're going to tap back into the breath here now. Move back into that belly breath we did at the beginning. Feel your breath move right down into the belly, keeping the upper torso muscles soft. So you're not contracting in the shoulders or around the collarbones or in the chest. That breath is bypassing all of those and going right down into the belly. As you exhale, feel your body relax even more. If you feel ready, begin to extend your exhale just a little. Maybe feeling a gentle pause at the end of your exhale before you feel the need to draw in your inhale. Relax and let go. When you feel ready, let the awareness of your breath slip away as you move into your Shavasana. Begin to bring your awareness back, moving at your fingers, your toes. When you're ready, bend your knees and roll to one side and just rest on your side for a moment. And then you're going to slowly work your way up to sitting. We're going to move into a brief meditation, so using your blankets to have a seat. Getting up tall on your sit bones. Feeling open across your heart. Your back is nice and long. Drop your breath into your belly again. And just for a few breaths, I want you to be really present, being present with your body, feeling where you're sitting, feeling the touch of your clothes, noticing your breath, and also being in touch with your mind. As it wanders, gently bring it back to focus on the present. Gently bring your awareness back. Bring your palms together in front of your heart and just bow your head to your heart. And for a moment, set an intention for the rest of the evening for yourself. Thanks for joining me. I hope you sleep really well, and we'll see you in the next video.